Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. I do hope you're all well on this Monday morning. It's quite cold here on the Fylde coast today, to be honest with you. But we'll get through this video today. So, first of all, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing. 401 of you, which is absolutely amazing and fantastic. And also 120,000 views, guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it for you all watching my content, and I'll keep bringing you absolute more content for you. You know, it's what I enjoy doing, is making sure people are happy and they're enjoying the videos, and I will keep doing more for you. So, just a bit of railway news to get this video underway. So Northern are expecting some new 331s, the second batch, which currently run on the Doncaster lines that do Doncaster to Leeds and Leeds to Skipton. They're going to be swapping for the 3 carriage ones that are based at Blackpool, which will then go to Doncaster. I don't know when that's going to happen, because obviously RMT have announced the latest rejection of the proposals from the train operating companies and Network Rail. So that's going to possibly put the new 331s on a bit of a setback for the move down to Blackpool, but I'm sure we'll find out in due course as to when that's going to be. Also, there is a big West Coast Main Line upcoming closure on the next 4 weekends. So 18th and 19th of February, 25th, 26th of February, 4th and 5th of March, and the 12th of March. This is due to major track works taking place at Preston. So for those of you wanting to travel on all of those weekends, buses are replacing trains on all of those weekends. So for those of you wanting to travel from Blackpool to Manchester, what you'll have to do is go from Blackpool to Preston on a bus, and then you'll have to get a bus from Preston to Buckshaw Parkway, where services to Manchester will start at Buckshaw Parkway and terminate at Buckshaw Parkway. For those of you wanting to travel to Liverpool or Wigan or Crewe or Warrington or London, you will have to go and get a bus from Blackpool to Preston, a bus from Preston to Wigan, where trains towards Liverpool, Warrington and Crewe and London will start at Wigan North Western. For those of you wanting to travel towards Lancaster and Carlisle and up towards Scotland, buses will run from Preston to Lancaster, where services from Lancaster to Scotland will begin at Lancaster. And for those of you wanting to travel to York from Blackpool, you'll have to get a bus from Blackpool to Blackburn, but via Preston. So you'll have to change buses at Preston and then get on another bus at Preston, which will take you onwards to Blackburn, where from Blackburn the services to York will start at York. So make sure you write those key dates down: the 18th and 19th of February, 25th, 26th of March, 4th and 5th of March, and also the 12th of March. But hopefully this will be an extremely good video. Let's get some more views, and let's hopefully have an enjoyable video today, guys. Northern Rail 331022 331011. 1 Yankee 58, Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Northern Rail 319370, 1 Foxtrot 06, Blackpool North to Liverpool Lime Street. It's on the same run again as it was last week. We caught it every day last week. Let's see if we can do it again this week. It does also mixing with the crossover from a 6 carries 331. And the 1 November 55 from Manchester Airport. It's 331019. 331002. Northern Rail 195104 Diva Victrix. 1 Bravo 22 Blackpool North to York via Leeds. Rail 331003, 331025. 1 Yankee 59. Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Rail 331002, 331019. 1 Yankee 60. Blackpool North to Manchester Airport with a small tone at the end from the driver, and he also gives a nice little wave. Northern Rail 319367. 1 Foxtrot 08. Blackpool North to Liverpool Lime Street. Poulton-Le-Fylde 195132. 1 Bravo 24, Blackpool North to York via Leeds. They got a nice wave off the driver as well this morning. Northern Rail 331031. 1 Yankee 61, Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Formed of only 3 carriages today. Northern Rail 331001, 331018, 1 Yankee 62, Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. We've got a nice 2-tone and a wave, and thumbs up from the driver as well. Blackpool North to Manchester Airport for this one. Northern Rail 319385, 1 Foxtrot 03, Blackpool North to Liverpool Lime Street. And this train has also got flat wheels, because you can hear it bouncing up against the side of the platform. Not a nice feeling. Avanti West Coast 390-114, City of Manchester. 9 Papa 47, London Euston to Blackpool North. Rail 195127. 1 Bravo 26, Blackpool North to York via Leeds. Rail 331028, 331015. 1 Yankee 63, Blackpool North to Manchester Airport with a speedy departure. Avanti West Coast 390-114, City of Manchester. 9 Alpha 53, Blackpool North to London Euston via Birmingham and Coventry. We've got some nice little tones from the driver and a wave and a thumbs up as well. Good afternoon, Avanti West Coast, thank you. Right guys, that brings an end to today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. I've enjoyed doing this video for you as always. I really do enjoy doing them. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one guys, where we will feature the South Fylde line. So I will see you on the next one guys. Bye bye for now.